Hello, welcome back. This video is on speed, distance, and time, and how to do those calculations for mechanics. Okay? Now, this is important because when we start building tomorrow, we're going to find the speed or average speed of the MBOT. And in order for us to do that, we need to know the distance that it travels and the time that it takes for it to go that distance. And so these calculations are important because we want to make sure we know the correct specifications or just the stats or attributes of the robot that we're building. So number one says calculate the average speed of a golf cart that runs 140 meters in 10 seconds. So the first thing you want to identify is the magic circle or the magic triangle. This one is going to be a magic circle, where you have the distance at the top and you cut it in half. And then you split the other two, you have V and T. And V is just another word for speed or velocity. And so those two are used interchangeably. All right. And the way it works is that based off whatever it gives you, you cover it up whatever it asks you to find. So for example, it says calculate the average speed of the golf cart is 140 meters in 10 seconds. So the knowns, you're going to use your reference sheet. The known is going to be, you're going to look at the unit and it says 140 meters. 140 meters, that is a distance. And in 10 seconds, that is a time. And they're asking us to find the speed. Do we know the speed? No, so it's going to be a question mark. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to draw a picture. All right, so you have a golf cart and it's going a distance of 140 meters. Over a time span of 10 seconds. How fast is it moving? So the equation is going to be whatever we're trying to find, meaning that the equation is going to be whatever the question mark is. And the question mark is speed. So the way that we figure out speed is that you're going to cover up the V and you're going to look at what you have. You have D over T. So the equation is going to be V or S equals D over T. Remember, S and V are the same thing. Plug and chug, meaning that you plug it in and then you chug it out. So you're going to take your norms and plug them into your equation. So we're going to take the numbers here and plug them into the variables. So if we look at our equation, we said D equals 140 meters divided by 10 seconds. The last part is going to be your answer. The speed is 14 meters per second. Okay. Now, what does that mean? That means every second he goes 14 meters. And it just keeps doing that. Number two, calculate the average speed in kilometers per hour. All right, so we want to do exactly what we did before, but this time we want our units to be in kilometers over an hour. If Charlie runs 4 meters, that's the distance, or X or D. It's 4 kilometers, 4 kilometers away at a time of 30 minutes. What is his speed? Okay, so if I go to my answer, I know that my answer has to be in kilometers per hour. Right now, they give me this in minutes. So that means I have to convert using US customary units, minutes to hours. So I'm converting 30 minutes into an hour. I know that there is 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if I convert 30 minutes the one is at the top, so I'm going to divide 30 divided by 60. It's going to be a half an hour. So our new time is going to change to a half an hour. And we just do what we did before. So this time he's going 40 kilometers in over 30 minutes or a half an hour. The equation for speed is the same as it was before. Plug and chug. 4 kilometers divided by a half an hour, or 0.5. That answer is going to be 8 kilometers per hour. All right, and that's speed, distance, and time. Thank you.